right, folks, welcome to another edition of Show Me Your Car. Man, do I got a cool one here for you to see right now. But before you get to see the car, I would like to ask for you to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I need some subscribers. We're almost at 1,000. But anyway, we're going to take a look at this cool car. I'm Craig here with Show Me Your Car.
Bob Patton.
Bob. Nice to meet you, Bob.
Nice to meet you.
Bob, I've been looking at this car now for, I guess probably a year and a half.
Probably.
And I don't know, it's been a while, and I've seen it around, and I just fell in love with this thing. Can you tell me what kind of car this is?
A 34 Ford Vicky.
A 34 Ford Vicky?
Vicky. That's the one with the slant back.
Okay.
That's what they called, when they came out, they were called Vickies, and everybody nicknamed them slant backs.
Oh, okay.
And this is a rare one because it's actually got a trunk in it.
Oh, okay.
Most of them don't have trunks.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, and one thing that I've really noticed about your car when I've seen it around at the car shows and stuff is the trim that you have painted here or whatever.
Yeah, it's painted.
Okay.
What they actually did, this thing was painted I'd say about 14, 15 years ago.
Okay.
A guy in Pennsylvania did it, and it was painted silver. Then he came back and he put a black over it and then put saran wrap on it.
Oh.
And when he peeled the saran wrap off, it gave it that marble effect.
Oh, okay.
And
It's amazing what they do, isn't it?
Lot of work to do it, and this is actually molded. It's not chrome or anything, it's actually molded into the body.
Oh, really?
Body molding.
Okay.
All the way around.
Okay.
And it's also got it all the way around the bottom.
Nice. Well, that's pretty cool. And I see that you got some of the same type of stuff around the
on
windshield.
the windshield.
That's really neat. Yeah. I like these doors, how they open backwards, I guess.
Suicide doors, 33 and 34s.
Huh. You know, I really like these doors.
Suicide doors.
Yeah, I think they're neat because you can get in and out of pretty easily.
But my wife's handicapped, and
okay.
This is the one she can get in and out of without no problem.
Wow.
So
yeah, it's really neat for
this
sure.
This was my dream car since I was about 5 years old.
Wow.
Here I am, almost 73 now, and I finally got one.
Exactly. Well, at least you got it. You know, that's the thing. Now, I see you got some lights here. Are these like blinkers or?
I got my turn signals hooked up in there. They're actually like parking lights.
Okay.
Like you normally have on the front of your car.
Okay. Yeah, because you don't have any down here.
Uh-uh.
Okay. Now, I see there's a hole in the bottom of your...
That's for the crank.
Okay.
We can actually start original motor, you can start with a crank.
Okay. So that's when you send the wife out there to crank it and you sit inside and you fire it up?
Somebody, hey, go warm the car up for me.
Okay. Well, that's what it's all about.
Yeah.
This front end on this thing just is so cool looking.
Normally they've got smaller headlights.
Oh, really?
That's the commercial headlights there.
Okay.
That's what came out on the 34 trucks.
Okay. Man, this thing is just neat looking. I just love it. I can see how you fell in love with it. For sure. Take a walk around to the side here.
You may raise the hood or anything?
Yeah, that would be nice.
It's not done yet.
That's okay.
More.
I like your wheels.
Yeah. Got
nice.
New headers and stuff to go on it yet.
Okay. What kind of engine is this?
350 Chevy.
Okay.
The 350 turbo transmission.
Nice. I bet that pushes this thing right around, doesn't it?
Yeah. I pull a trailer with it all the time.
Do you really?
Got a 4x8 enclosed trailer. I hauled it down to cruising the coast behind it without a problem.
Yeah, this is really neat.
Then I've got my other little flat trailer I haul my scooter on.
Oh, do you?
When we go out to 370 Park or somewhere.
Yeah.
Very cool. Now, I like how this all sweeps down.
Got a big show coming up this next weekend, 13th.
Yeah. Hey, there's one every Wednesday out there.
Wednesday, yeah, we were down there. They had them in the gravel.
Yeah. Well, that was part of the agreement. Was if they got the arena rented out, we'd have to move down there. So.
Yeah.
It wasn't bad.
Do you see the overhead in it?
Oh yeah, nice.
Guy asked me, goes, "Where's the rest of your radio at?" And I said, "Under the dash."
Okay.
Right above the air conditioner.
That is really neat for sure. And I like how this thing sweeps down and you got the step there. And And you said that that's the trunk that you have there.
You got better eyes than me, I can't see it.
Oh yeah.
Authentic 34.
Oh, it's got the old luggage in there too, huh?
Yeah, that's my toolbox.
Well, heck, that's a neat way of concealing it for sure. That is too cool, for sure. Without a doubt. Would you mind firing it up so we can hear it?
Chevy, it's a Chevy.
All right, you guys,
Watch
hold
out,
on your
guys.
ponytails. Pardon me. There we go. All right, hold on to your ponytail so we can.
We're gonna fire it up.
He might blow you out of your chair. That's got a nice sound to it. I really like that. That sounds real nice.
Oh, except for the squeak.
Yeah, that
Ain't done that
happens.
in a while.
That happens.
Need a little soap on that.
Yeah.
That's the first time it's done it this year.
That has a real nice sound. It's not blowing you away.
No.
You know what I'm saying?
No,
It
it's
sounds
got turbo
good.
mufflers and everything on it.
Yeah, it sounds really nice. All right, is there anything else that you want to show me on your car? I think
What?
we went over everything.
I think so. The wire basket wheels and stuff.
Yeah.
34.
All right, sir. Well,
34 Vicky.
thank you very much for taking the time
No
out
problem.
and showing me your car.
Here you go.
Yeah.
Oh.
All right, folks. Well, I hope you enjoyed that edition of Show Me Your Car. If you did, click right up here on this little logo. You can subscribe there. It's free to do. And right here on this side was the last video I just did. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it.